Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all well. Today I'm gonna show you how to make these delicious chicken and mushroom pita pockets. The ingredients are 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil, pita bread, I'm using wholemeal, half a cup of button mushrooms, half a kg of chicken mince, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of peri peri seasoning, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, and a cube of garlic. I'm gonna start by adding the oil. When the oil is hot enough, I'm gonna add the chicken mince and I'm gonna cook this for around 1 minute. Now I'm gonna add the garlic cube and again I'm gonna cook this for around 3 to 4 minutes. It's been around 4 minutes and the mince water has dried. Now I'm gonna add all the spices. I'm gonna mix well and I'm gonna cook this around 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm gonna add the mushrooms and I'm gonna mix well and I'm gonna cook this on high flame for around 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm gonna cover it and let it cook on low heat until the mushrooms are fully cooked. The mixture is done. The mushrooms are fully cooked. Now I'm gonna sprinkle the cheese. I'm gonna cover it and let it cook on low heat until the cheese melts. So the cheese has melted. I'm gonna switch the heat off and put the pan on the side. I heated the pita breads and cut them in half. Now I'm gonna fill them with this mixture. At this point you can add any sauce of your choice and salad if you want. This is one of my easiest and quick recipes to follow. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.